Coronavirus is also forcing colleges across the country to change up their back-to-school plans, and some are criticizing new guidelines laid out by the state's largest university. Everyone at Ohio State must sign a pledge before returning to campus this fall, and as NBC4's Catherine Ross tells us, some think it goes too far.
For months now, the Ohio State University has been coming up with health and safety procedures to welcome student, staff, and faculty back here to campus. Part of that is requiring everyone to sign that pledge, but some tell me the language in the pledge is raising concerns. Together as Buckeyes is the mantra Ohio State is using heading into the fall semester. It's also the name of the pledge all students, staff, and faculty must sign ahead of their return.
We are in the middle of crisis that we can see that how our lives are intertwined, are interconnected. So I think it's a good idea.
It includes a short online course explaining the importance of things like hand washing and social distancing. It also asks everyone to agree to follow health and safety standards.
I hope that people follow the rules, everything that the governments are talking about it, because it's really serious.
But some say the pledge goes beyond public health.
You read the document, you just say, hold on. That's not what we thought we were supposed to sign.
Professor Guy Rube and many of his colleagues at the Moritz College of Law say the document includes some unnecessary moral commitments and reads more like a legal waiver, even though a message to the OSU community specifically notes it's not one. It asks readers to acknowledge there's a risk of contracting COVID-19 at OSU.
The concern about signing something that might be interpreted as a waiver or what is technically an assumption of risk is that it diminishes your legal right.
Rube does not plan to sign the pledge, despite possible disciplinary action noted in the document. The school says it simply wants the community united and safe, but Rube and others think there's a simpler way to do that.
If you only want to promote public health, which I'm all for it, let's just have a short pledge that says that.
Right now, the university is planning to welcome everyone back to campus by August 25th. Local for you in Columbus, Catherine Ross, NBC4.